Hello viewers, welcome to Sports and Fitness Foods. Having poha after the gym session can provide quick source of carbohydrates to replenish the glycogen stores after your workout. Additionally, if you add some vegetables and some protein like peanuts, cashews or yogurt can enhance the meal's nutritional value, which further helps with recovery and muscle repair. It is very light meal in the stomach, easy to digest and also reduces the risk of discomfort after the exercise. Poha with curd is the best meal after the workout due to its easily digestible carbohydrates, protein, and probiotics. You can have this as your breakfast, lunch, or dinner. So, without wasting much time, let's dive into the recipe. Take a mixing bowl and add 1 cup of poha, which is also called as flattened rice. Add some water into it. Now rinse the poha gently 1 to 2 times to remove the dust particles from it and discard the water after each rinse. Into this rinsed poha, add 1 cup of curd. Mix it well. Now keep this aside and let it soak for at least 10 minutes. Now take a tadka pan and add 1 tablespoon of desi cow ghee into it and heat it. When the ghee gets heated, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of jeera. When the seeds crackle, add 1 teaspoon of chopped ginger, 2 chopped green chilies, 1 teaspoon of urad dal and 2 teaspoons of chana dal. Fry the dals well until they become light brown in color. Now add few curry leaves and some roasted and peeled peanuts, 8 to 10 cashew nuts. Fry these for 1 to 2 minutes on a low flame. Now add 2 tablespoons of grated carrot. Saute it for another 2 minutes to remove the rawness from the carrot. Now switch off the stove and cool the mixture. Now add this tadka mixture into the soaked curd poha. Mix it very well. Now add 1 teaspoon of pink salt and some water. Now mix it again. Yes, it is done. Now transfer this curd poha into a serving bowl. See how yummy it looks. Now our healthy, nutritious, protein-rich and gut-friendly meal, curd poha, is ready to serve. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like it, share this to your friends and also subscribe this channel for more tasty, healthy and quick fitness recipes. Meet you in the next video.